Hello, good morning once again, my dear students. How are you today? Okay, so our lesson for today, we're going to continue about the application of the system of linear equation into the word problem. So I have prepared here questions, problems that we're going to figure out the values of the unknown. First, we have the sum of two numbers is 42. One number is 3 less than 4 times the other number. What are the numbers? Okay. So again, we say first, let x and y be the two numbers, as we say here, as always. Now we're going to translate the first sentence that says, the sum of two numbers is 42. So when you are getting the sum, you simply add the two numbers, right? And that is 42. So we have here x plus y equals to 42, and this will serve as our equation number 1. Now the second sentence says that one number is 3 less than 4 times the other number. Meaning to say that if we're going to multiply, if we're going to multiply the other number by 4, this is bigger or this is larger, 3 by 3 to the other number. Or if the other way, the other number is 3 less than if we're going to multiply 4 to the other number. Okay, so we can write the equation as, we have x is equal to 4y minus 3. Because this 4y is larger by 3 to the value of x. Okay. So for this time, we can use the two method. So you have this elimination method and the substitution method. Now again, as we know, to use whether the elimination or substitution, we're going to check the given. For this one, you will see that in the second equation, it says already here that we equated as one variable x is equal to a temporary value, which is a 4y minus 3. Meaning to say that we can use this equation number 2 for substitution. We can substitute the value of the variable x to equation 1 using this equation number 2, right? Okay. So we're going to use substitution method for this example. So we say substitute equation number 2 to equation number 1. So we have here our equation number 1. It says x plus y equals to 42. Now we're going to substitute here the value of x, which is 4y minus 3. This is only a temporary value of x. So when we substitute that, it becomes 4y minus 3 plus y equals to 42. And again, for this, we can combine like terms to simplify. 4y plus y is 5y. Then we transpose negative 3 to the right side. It becomes plus 3. And we simplify further. That would be 5y is equal to 42 plus 3 is 45. And we divide both sides with 5. So this will be cut. And what will be left on the left side will be y, and on the right side will be 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. So therefore we say that our y is equal to 9. Now we can use this value to figure out the value of x. So it's either that you will use equation 1 or equation 2 to find the variable x. So for this time we're going to use equation number 2 because it's easier. You see, x equals to 4y minus 3. So we have here equation number 2. We just simply substitute the value of y, which is 9. And there we go. 4 times 9 is 36 minus 3. That is 36 minus 3 or 33. So therefore we say that our values of the two variables x and y, we have 33 and 9. Okay, Mai? Okay, now we go to our second example. Okay, so we have here our next example. It says here two angles are complementary and the larger one is 14 degrees more than 3 times the smaller one. Find the angles. Okay. So again, first step is to say let x be the larger angle and y be the smaller angle. Now, so we start to translate the word problem. So we start here. Complementary. What is complementary again? That is, the sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees. Okay? So meaning to say that we're going to add x plus y, and the sum is 90 degrees, or x plus y equals to 90. So that will be our equation 1. And next we have the larger one is 14 degree more than 3 times the smaller one. So larger one is the x is equal. Then we have 14 more than is plus 3 times the smaller one, or y. Okay, so we say x is equal 14 plus 3y. So we have said here x is equal to 14 plus 3y, or that would be our equation 2. For this time, we can use already substitution, right? Because we have here x. But for this example, we're going to use elimination method. So how we can do that? We're going to transpose 3y to the left side so that it will be in the standard form. Okay? So it will be look like this. We transpose 3y to the left side becomes negative, and what would be left on the right side is 14. So the same thing that we're going to do with the coefficient, we're going to check the coefficient of the variable. If the coefficient are the same, like with the x, then we can eliminate that variable. But for y, you will see here y is y, 1y, and this one is 3y. They're not equal. But still you can eliminate that, but we need to multiply 3 to equation number 1, which is another step. So we go with x. So we say equation 1 minus equation 2. So we have the equation 1 and we have your equation 2. And we're going to subtract. Since that they are like sign, we're going to subtract. If unlike sign, we're going to plus or add. So we start x minus x is 0, and the x or y minus negative 3 will be, this will be plus y, it will be 4y is equal to 90 minus 14, that is 76. Okay, so we divide both sides with 4, divided by 4, divided by 4. So on the left side will be y, and on the right side we have 76 divided by 4, or that is 19. Okay. Now, so we're going to find the other variable, which is x, using equation 1 or equation 2. Now again, remember that as I have said, we're going to eliminate the number of equation, because this equation 2 here, this one, is just the same as this. So again, we do not add more equation as equation number 3, so that you will not be confused. So using equation number 1, we substitute the value of y, which is 19. Okay, so from equation 1, we say x plus y equals to 90, and we substitute the value of y, which is 19. We have here x plus 19 equals to 90, and we transpose 19 to the right side, it becomes minus 19. And we simplify 90 minus 19, therefore x is equal to 71. Okay, so therefore we say that the two angles that consist of the complementary angles, we have the larger angle is equal to 71 degrees and the smaller angle is 19 degrees. Okay, so you will see if from our equation number 2 that says that the larger number is 14 degrees. Okay, so if we're going to get or if we're going to multiply the smaller number or the smaller angle with 3, again still the larger number is greater than 14 to that value of the angle. Okay, question? Do you have any question, Mai? No, Chay, Mai? Okay, so that's all for today, and we're going to continue to give more examples about this topic next time. So see you. Bye-bye.